Remove all parts and material from the box and check if there are any missing parts against the included checklist. Firstly, insert the wood dowel into both boards E. Next, attach all three boards C to board A using CSK screw M5. Then, attach both boards E to board A. Then, attach board B to the cabinet body using CSK screw M5. After that, attach board G to the top of the cabinet using CSK screw M5. Attach board Y to the back of the cabinet using nails. Install shelf nuts into all the holes inside the cabinet. Insert all the board D shelves into the cabinet. Next, use CSK screw M3.5 to install metal hinges on all board F1 and F2 doors. Once the hinges are installed, attach all the board F1 and F2 doors to the cabinet. For door hinge adjustments, you can watch our previous video, which provides detailed instructions. Congratulations, you have assembled your shoe cabinet.